everyone, today's video is about Barton reaction. Barton reaction. In Barton reaction, photolytic conversion of organic nitriles into nitroso alcohol is called Barton reaction. This reaction takes place in liquid phase. Barton reaction is affected by light radiations under nitrogen of a solution of reactant in suitable non-hydroxyl solvent with light from a high pressure mercury lamp. To regulate and control these radiations of wavelength greater than 300 nanometer, Pyrex filter fitted into lamp. When a compound consists of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen group and methane bond and CH bond is in close proximity, alkoxyl radical is formed by photolysis of nitrides in solution phase, which we have sufficient energy to bring selective intramolecular abstraction of hydrogen atom and produce a carbon radical. The carbon radical react with nitrogen monoxide and give nitroso alcohol, which further rearrange and form oxime compound. The nitroso alcohol can be isolated from solution by process of dimerization. The nitroso and oxime compounds further converted into compounds containing cyano, amino and carbonyl groups. Mechanism in this, here this oxygen and nitrogen bond break, the radicals shift here and यहाँ पे एक radical बन जाएगा which is called as alkoxyl radical, जिसमें यहाँ पर ये हाइड्रोजन इसके बीच में हमारा बॉन्ड बनेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ ट्रांजिशन स्टेट. ट्रांजिशन स्टेट में आने के बाद ये जो हमारा हाइड्रोजन है वो इस ऑक्सीजन के पास चला जाएगा जैसे यहाँ पर, और यहाँ एक रेडिकल फॉर्म हो जाएगा. फिर जब हम इसे NO के साथ रिएक्ट कराएंगे, फिर जब ये NO के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो यहाँ पर हमारा डबल बॉन्ड के साथ NO जुड़ जाएगा ये, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड नाइट्रोसो अल्कोहल. आफ्टर टॉटामेरिज्म, टॉटामेरिज्म होने के बाद ये हाइड्रोजन हमारा यहाँ पर चला जाएगा और ये हमारा ऑक्साइम कंपाउंड फॉर्म हो जाएगा. नाइट्रोसो अल्कोहल वाले स्टेज में डीमेराइजेशन होने के बाद हमारा डाइमर भी फॉर्म. In above reaction, the hydrogen transfer takes place from 6-member transition state. The reaction almost occur by abstraction of hydrogen atom from S carbon or the 5th carbon. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. On the 5th carbon, this C6H6 when react with 1 octyl nitride. On 5th carbon, NO group add. This NO group adds here and यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन के साथ इसमें से रिलीज हुआ वाला H लग जाएगा and this become 4 nitroso 1 octanol. The free radical chain reaction shows the quantum yield always more than 1. In Barton, it's 0.76 quantum yield. It confirms that it's photochemical reaction rather than free radical chain reaction. Disproportion in reaction. It occurs in primary and secondary nitrides having no hydrogen on delta carbon. In this compound, when it reacts in presence of H nu, this NO group detach, ये अलग हो जाएगा. NO group हमारा, यहाँ पर हमारा CHO लगने के बाद ये NO ग्रुप अलग हो जाएगा, ये O यहाँ रहेगा और एक रेडिकल फॉर्म कर लेगा. तो रेडिकल फॉर्म होने के बाद रीअरेंजमेंट से हमारे पास दो स्ट्रक्चर बनेंगे, एक एल्डिहाइड होगा और एक अल्कोहल होगा. Intramolecular abstraction of hydrogen atom by alkoxyl radical is always accompanied by disproportional radical decomposition. In case of alkoxyl radicals derived from tertiary nitrides, the reaction follows the normal course. If delta carbon is secondary and tertiary in nature, if delta carbon is primary, then Barton reaction is superseded by alkoxyl decomposition. As you have seen, this O stays here and this NO moves to this carbon. Applications. As Barton reaction consists of great selectivity in hydrogen abstraction step, it's found application mainly in field of steroids. Barton reaction has described the partial synthesis of aldosterone acetate. Thank you everyone.